again. I'm going to teach you guys how to do one-step and two-step equations today. It's a similar thing I did in my previous video, so I think you might know that. So, but this is going to be, I'm going to do the one-step equation in a different method, okay? Here, I'll show you an example. Okay, so that's a one-step equation. It's called a one-step equation because there's only one step we need to do. So, how you solve this question is, the x value is unknown. So we need to find the x value. To find x value, we have to isolate the variable. So, x is the variable. For x, we have to isolate that. To find the answer, we have to divide the numbers, both of the numbers, by 4. So 4x over 4 equals 8 over 4. So 4x over 4, so that'll be x equals, that'll be 2. So 2 equals 2. To check the answer, we can multiply this value in this. So 4 times 2, that equals 8. 8 equals here. So that's alright. We did that question right. I'll show you other example one-step equations. Okay. See, it's the same thing, but there's a minus here, negative sign. So this time, we have the x value is unknown still. We have to find the x value. So for that, we isolate the x. We have to divide it by 3 this time. So, okay. So, this is good. So, x equals minus 3. Okay, to check, we can do the same thing. Minus 3. 3 times minus 3 equals minus 9. Is there a minus 9 here? Yeah, that's correct. See, that's how you do one-step equations. Now I'll show you a two-step equation. Now we're going to do a two-step equation. Okay, so one important rule in this two-step equation, whenever we bring a number to the other side, its sign is going to change, okay? So, there's x, and that's unknown, so we have to isolate that. So, 2x, to find x, we have to bring this 6 to the other side. So, remember I told you that whenever we bring the number to the other side, the sign changes. So 10, and we bring this minus 6. Okay, now 10 minus 6 equals 4. Now we have to divide this one by 2. 2x over 2 equals 4 over 2. This one's going to, so x equals, if you reduce these, it's going to x equals to 2. To check the answer, we have to do the same thing. See? 2. So 2 times in the x value place, we have to put 2 plus 6. So 2 times 2 equals 4, plus 6 equals 10. There's a 10 up here, so it's right. Okay? We're going to do a similar one, but some sign changes. Okay. See, there's a minus 10. So, basically the same thing. We have to isolate the x value because it's unknown. So, that will be 2x. To find the number, to find the x value, we have to bring the 6 to the other side. So, minus 10 equals minus 6. So, 2x equals minus 16. We have to divide both those numbers by 2. So 2 over 2x equals minus 16 over 2. Okay? So that will be x if you reduce. And this one will be minus 8 if you reduce it. So x is equals to minus 8. You have to check it. It's the same thing. 2 times minus 8 plus 6. So minus 16 plus 6 equals to minus 10. Minus 10 right here. So it's right. I hope you guys understand my video. Thanks for listening. See you next time.